Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make marinara sauce with canned tomatoes. We'll begin by gathering our simple yet essential ingredients. You'll need two 28-ounce cans of whole peeled tomatoes, which are the heart of our sauce. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of high-quality olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 small, finely chopped onion. These foundational elements will create a delicious and authentic base for your homemade marinara. Now, let's start building those wonderful flavors. Heat 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your minced garlic and chopped onion. Sauté these aromatics gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want them to become soft and translucent, releasing their sweet fragrance, but be careful not to brown the garlic, as it can turn bitter. With our aromatics ready, it's time for the star of the show, the tomatoes. Carefully crush the whole peeled tomatoes with your hands or a potato masher directly into the pot. Add a generous pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering partially. Let it cook for at least 45 minutes or even up to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish our delicious marinara, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves and a tablespoon of butter for richness and shine. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. A little more salt, pepper, or even a pinch of sugar can balance the acidity. Serve your homemade marinara over pasta, with meatballs, or as a dipping sauce. It's truly versatile. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.